Assalamu alaikum. Well, if you use list view or list view builder inside a column, then you might get this error which says vertical viewport was given unbounded height. Well, that happens because list view builder or list view tries to take all the space in this column, which doesn't give any space for container or other children like I have here. So it tries to occupy all the space. Well, to get rid of this problem, you can solve it two ways. First, you can wrap it around another widget, which is called a flexible widget. Okay, and then the problem should be gone. Okay, let's save it. And here we go. Restart it. Problem is gone. Well, if you don't want to use a flexible widget, then you can use another container. And then you can give it height, say 500. And it would work the same. Okay, but personally I would recommend go with the flexible widget. Thank you.